Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
Open Shutterstock and choose Join as a contributor from the footer links. Provide a valid email and create a secure password, then verify the email address. Complete your profile with real name, display name, and a short bio describing your work. Add payment details for PayPal or bank transfer so you can receive earnings. Upload tax information using Form W-9 or Form W-8-BEN, depending on residency and tax status. Agree to contributor terms and confirm you understand licensing and exclusive versus non-exclusive options. Save images as high-quality JPEG in sRGB color space with at least 4 megapixels. Keep individual file size under 50 MB and use maximum compression without visible artifacts. Remove watermarks, borders, or logos before exporting the final file. Ensure images are sharp, properly exposed, and free of heavy noise or banding for faster acceptance. If people or private property are identifiable, upload completed model or property releases to attach to each asset. Tag and organize your files locally with file names. Use the contributor portal to drag and drop multiple files for batch uploads, which saves time. After upload, write a concise title that describes the main subject and scene. Add between 5 and 25 keywords, prioritizing the most important terms first and using commas to separate them. Choose accurate categories and content types so buyers find your work quickly. Attach any required model or property releases to the corresponding images before final submission. Monitor the dashboard for review status, earnings, and options to replace or withdraw assets if necessary.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.